Welcome back to Brainy Quiz.
Can you recognize the logo just by the sounds? Let's see how many brand that you can get right. Please subscribe for more fun quizzes. Can you identify this logo by this sound? Correct, Apple. Listen carefully to this sound. Which logo does it belong to? So good. YouTube. Which brand does this belong to? Perfect. TikTok. Would you rather give up watching Netflix a year or comment your favorite movie? Remember the position of all logos. Where's the TikTok logo location? Have you got it? Let's move on. Can you name this logo by its sound?
I'm loving it.
The answer is McDonald's.
I'm loving it.
Identify its logo by its sound. Wonderful. Netflix. What's logo is linked this sound? Bingo! Coca-Cola. Would you rather scrolling TikTok a long day or scrolling Instagram? Tell me in the comment below your answer. Would you rather only drink iced Starbucks drinks forever or only drink Coca-Cola with ice forever? Comment below your answers. Are you Team Starbucks or Team Coca-Cola? Does this sound familiar to you? That's right, Instagram. What logo matches this sound? Perfect, Oreo. What's logo is linked this sound?
Barbie. Hi, Barbie.
Hi, Barbie.
Hi, Barbie.
Hi, Barbie.
Hi, Barbie. Hi, Barbie.
Hi, Barbie.
That's right, Barbie.
Hi, Barbie. Hi, Barbie.
Hi, Barbie.
Hi, Barbie.
Hi, Barbie.
Hi, Barbie. Hi, Barbie.
Would you rather eat McDonald's burgers forever or KFC fried chicken forever? Like if you're a McDonald's fan, subscribe if KFC is your favorite. Would you rather get free Netflix Premium forever or YouTube Premium forever? Drop your answer in the comments. What logo matches this sound? answer is Cocomelon. Let's move on. Can you name this logo by its sound? Wonderful. Windows. Which brand does this belong to? Bingo, Google.
Thanks for watching. Comment below